Watch your left side.
Witness the genesis. Vast papaya plantations bathed in the golden hues of dawn. On lush plantations, nature nurtures the perfectly ripe papayas for our exquisite products. Skilled harvesters gently gather papayas, ensuring quality from the start. From vast plantations, the journey of perfect papaya begins, meticulously harvested by hand. A fleet of modern refrigerated trucks transports the freshly harvested papayas, ensuring optimal quality. Colossal trucks arrive at state-of-the-art receiving bays, initiating the journey of fresh papayas. A colossal automated system prepares to gently lift and tilt the entire truck trailer. Thousands of papayas flow seamlessly onto a vast, interconnected conveyor network for processing. A colossal water flume system begins the gentle, yet thorough, cleansing of the papayas. Each fruit undergoes an intense, hygienic wash, preparing it for the next stage. Advanced automation ensures every papaya is perfectly clean, maintaining peak quality. This initial purification step is critical for ensuring the highest standards of food safety. Advanced optical sorters meticulously inspect each papaya, ensuring only the finest quality proceeds. Imperfections are instantly identified, triggering precise mechanical responses for removal. This precision sorting ensures every papaya meets the highest standards for canning and smoothie production. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any exciting videos. Each precisely sorted papaya moves closer to becoming delicious canned fruit or refreshing smoothies. Welcome to the heart of automation, where colossal machines transform raw papayas with precision. State-of-the-art sensors guide each papaya through an intricate ballet of preparation. Precision engineering ensures minimal waste, maximizing the yield of this tropical delight. Each perfectly prepared papaya is now ready for the next stage of its journey. Precision engineering ensures every papaya is perfectly prepared for the next stage of its journey. From raw fruit to perfectly peeled flesh, the journey is swift and impeccably clean. Every papaya emerges flawlessly peeled, ready for its transformation into delicious products. Advanced automation precisely slices and deseds papayas, ensuring peak quality. Laser precision divides each fruit, revealing the vibrant, seed-filled interior. Robotic arms prepare to scoop, their movements precise and efficient. Precision dicing begins, transforming clean papaya halves into perfect cubes for further processing. Uniform papaya cubes emerge, a testament to the machine's state-of-the-art precision. From halved fruit to perfectly diced portions, automation ensures consistent quality and efficiency. This technological marvel processes thousands of papayas hourly, readying them for their next transformation. Precision engineering guides thousands of cans, ensuring seamless, high-speed filling. Automated systems ensure consistent quality and rapid processing, transforming fresh papayas into finished products. From raw fruit to sealed perfection, the journey through advanced machinery is continuous. Precision filling ensures every can receives the perfect measure of succulent papaya and syrup. Automated systems move cans seamlessly towards their final sealing process. Colossal robotic arms meticulously load sealed cans into massive pressurized retorts for steam sterilization. The retort doors seal hermetically, creating a secure environment for high-pressure steam sterilization. Inside, high-pressure steam eliminates any contaminants, ensuring the long-term preservation of the canned papaya. After thorough sterilization, the immense retort doors slowly open, revealing the perfectly preserved canned papaya. Peeled and de-seeded papayas embark on a transformative journey into industrial pulpers. Centrifugal force efficiently extracts the pure, rich papaya pulp, ready for the next stage. Advanced sensors and controls monitor every aspect, guaranteeing consistent quality and yield. The consistently smooth, vibrant papaya pulp is now perfectly prepared for subsequent processing. Colossal blending tanks stand ready, transforming raw pulp into exquisite fruit purees. Inside the massive tanks, other fruit purees join, creating a tapestry of flavors. Giant internal mixers churn to life, beginning the meticulous blending of the purees. Through precise blending, a smooth, consistent puree is meticulously crafted. From colossal tanks, the perfected blend is transferred, ready for its next transformation. The blending farm stands as a testament to precision, scale, and innovative production. Immense pressure transforms the papaya mix into a perfectly smooth beverage. This critical step ensures an incredibly smooth and stable texture. The resulting papaya smoothie is now perfectly homogenized and ready. This colossal rotary bottling line transforms raw ingredients into thousands of perfectly filled smoothie bottles. Each bottle is perfectly filled, showcasing the rich, natural color of the papaya smoothie. Robotic arms swiftly maneuver the newly capped bottles, demonstrating unparalleled speed and efficiency. Skilled American line workers meticulously oversee every detail, ensuring the highest standards of quality and efficiency. This state-of-the-art facility ensures every bottle of papaya smoothie reaches consumers with unparalleled quality and freshness. Precision and speed define our advanced packaging lines. High-speed spider robots descend, poised to revolutionize case packing with unmatched precision and agility. In a flurry of controlled motion, products are precisely placed into cases, ready for their next journey. Filled cases are seamlessly moved for the next stage, a testament to intelligent factory design. Witness the apex of automation, a colossal robotic arm orchestrating perfect pallet formation. With effortless power, the robot lifts entire layers, streamlining the stacking process. Each layer precisely aligned, creating a flawless, stable pallet ready for dispatch. Silent robotic vehicles meticulously navigate, ensuring precise movement of valuable produce. Each pallet finds its designated spot, a testament to efficiency. Advanced sensors and precise robotics ensure every movement is flawless. Organized storage ensures the quality and accessibility of every harvest. Advanced robotics orchestrate the final stages, ensuring swift and precise product movement.
Watch your left side. Coming through on aisle 4.
With every truck's departure, our commitment to quality and freshness reaches new horizons.